I'm Paul Groh, Director of the Estates Administration Team at the Law Offices of Daniel Hunt. Did you know that a recent study showed that 73% of Americans die with debt? When a settlor of a revocable living trust dies, the job of dealing with estate debt and creditors falls to the successor trustee. So today, let's talk about how to do that. First, rest assured that as a trustee, you are not personally liable for estate debts. While creditors may make a claim on the estate or trust if the estate is insolvent, unable to pay the debts owed, you will not need to pay the debts out of your own pocket as long as you are observing your trustee duties. But paying creditors in an estate administration can become extremely complicated, and we strongly recommend seeking the counsel of an experienced trust attorney. Common debts that many trustees encounter include money owed to the government and both secured and unsecured debt. One essential step in every trust administration is sending notices to the California Franchise Tax Board, the IRS, and the California Department of Healthcare Services, informing them of the decedent's passing. Whenever a citizen dies, the government wants to know if they owed any taxes or Medi-Cal payback. Other common types of debt include secured and unsecured debt. With secured debts, if the borrower defaults on payments, the lender can seize the collateral, sell it, and use the proceeds to pay back the debt. Real estate mortgages and car loans are examples of secured debt. Unsecured debt lacks collateral, like credit card debt and student loan debt. As unsecured debt, they are lower priority creditors in an estate administration. The estate must pay off debts in a specific order, starting with secured debt first. The California Probate Code lays out the order in which estate debts must be paid. First, all expenses related to the estate administration. Second, obligations secured by a mortgage, deed of trust, or other lien. Third, funeral expenses. Fourth, medical expenses related to last illness. Fifth, family allowance for family members who relied on the decedent for support. Sixth, wage claims, unpaid wages to any employees. And last, all other debts, including unsecured debts. How do you handle estate debts? There are 3 basic steps. First, the trustee notifies creditors. As the trustee, notify any known or potential creditors that the person has passed away. In circumstances where the estate includes a business and/or a high potential of liability, you may want to file a proposed notice to creditors with the court as outlined in California Probate Code Section 19003. Second, creditors make their claims. Creditors must determine how much is owed to them and submit their claim within 1 year after the settlor's death. Third, the trustee either approves or disputes each claim. When a creditor submits a claim, the trustee must review and decide whether it seems legitimate and accurate. For claims that appear correct, you repay those debts using estate funds. For claims that appear fraudulent or incorrect, you can reject or contest the claim. If you reject it, the creditor has 90 days to file suit if they want to pursue the claim further. One last note. Hiring a knowledgeable estate planning or trust lawyer is critical if the estate being administered has creditors and debts. An experienced trust attorney will be able to advise you regarding which claims truly must be paid, how to negotiate the debts down and save the estate money, what to do if estate funds are insufficient to pay the debts, and any other questions you might have concerning this topic. Here's an example to illustrate this point. A few years back, our law firm assisted with a trust administration where the decedent had significant debt. With skillful negotiation, our legal team successfully reduced the estate debt from $1.2 million down to $400,000, preserving a much greater share of the estate to be distributed to the beneficiaries. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions about estate administration, feel free to contact the law offices of Daniel Hunt using the information listed below. Thanks.